Hello penny pinchers, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're switching it back up a little bit and we're going to be looking at the top 4 penny stocks to buy right now for your late month watch list. So obviously it's the late July right now as we're getting towards the August again, and summer is roaring. So we're going to be looking at 4 penny stocks to watch as we come to the end of this month. So let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. So the first penny stock on the list is going to be Conformis Inc. CFMS is the ticker symbol. So Conformis Inc. is a biotech penny stock that has experienced a great deal of momentum in the past few trading sessions. So this company creates medical tech products such as joint replacement implants and more. Its iDuo product is a personalized bicompartmental knee replacement system and used by many patients around the world. In addition to this, CFMS offers a variety of other products as well. On July 7th, Conformis Inc. announced the settlement of patent litigation with Wright Medical Technology Inc. So right here, the president and CEO of Conformis said, "We are pleased to have resolved all of the ongoing patent litigation related to the Wright medical dispute. The settlement once again highlights the strength and value of our intellectual property, as well as our steadfast commitment to protecting it and enforcing it." So while this is not major news for the company, guys, it is an important factor to consider. With its solid lineup of IP, Conformis remains a leader in the joint replacement market right now. CFMS stock is showing higher volume than usual at around 13 million compared to around 2 million on an average trading day. Additionally, it's worth noting that shares of CFMS stock shot up around 7% on Friday, now July 16th. Now, so considering all of this, will you be adding CFMS stock to your watch list? Let's check it out, guys. But before we check it out, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. It just takes 1 second. We're almost at 37,000 subscribers, guys. So thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below, what hot penny stocks are you watching right now and which one should we talk about on the channel? So, Conformis CFMS, this one was up 7.5% on Friday, trading at $1.13. The market cap is at 206 million right now. And if we take a look here, short-term analysts, mid-term and long-term analysts are very, very bullish on this stock, which is very important, obviously, to keep in mind because things can happen. So if we take a look right here, this one was trading at around this 60 cents level or so last year. Then we saw this huge boom pretty much at the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. The stock went here in January from about 70 cents all the way to highs of 150. So at 150, it tried to make a bounce twice here and break through that resistance. Couldn't do it. We came back down. We consolidated here back at the 80 cents area, which was a previous resistance level that we saw as well. And then from that 80 cents level, this stock started to boom going here in June or so. So we saw it boom from about that 80 cents range all the way back to about $1.35 or so. And then from those highs, we bounced back down. But we bounced off of this area at around that $1 level. So now obviously we're looking forward for that uptrend and try to break through that $1.50 level once again that we've been trying to break through at a all-time high in the past. So that is the level that we're going to be watching with for Conformis, obviously, to see how it's going to perform. Now volume obviously at around 1 million shares usually daily on volume, but obviously last week when we had that big pump, it went up about 13 million shares on that day. So big volume, big uptrend, obviously 7.5%. That was a nice day for Conformis to have a little bit of an upside. So definitely an interesting one. Now obviously, guys, as we go into this list, I just want to let you guys know that obviously this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing into stocks, penny stocks, crypto, whatever it is, make sure you speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, see if the risk and the reward is worth your time, and if you're willing to trade that level. So the second penny stock on our list is going to be Alt Global Holdings Inc, DPW. So Alt Global Holdings is an industrial stock that develops power system solutions. The company is involved in the design, manufacturing, and retailing of these products. Now, Alt's offerings are primarily sold to the military, medical, aerospace, and telecommunications company, which give it quite a broad reach, obviously. So if its products include power supplies, multiplexers, power conversion equipment, and much more. Now, on July 16th, the company announced the formation of Alt Global Retail Estate Equities Inc. This will allow the company to invest in commercial real estate. The company announced that Christopher K. Wu will become the new CEO of Alt Global Real Estate. And right here, the executive chairman of Alt, Milton Todd Alt, said, "We believe there are attractive assets in the commercial real estate in the United States and would benefit from capital investments and repositioning." So right here, and we believe Chris Wu, given his experience in the commercial real estate sector, will provide stronger leadership to drive investments that meet our criteria. Now, Chris brings a unique skill set and connects to provide non-recourse financing to the company, allowing us to expose our real estate portfolio with limited impact on the company's resources. So because the real estate industry is booming right now, Alt sees a large market opportunity to get in. And while the results of this venture are yet to be seen, investors are, have high hopes for the near future with this real estate move. With this in mind, what do you guys think about DPW? So this one was down about 2% on Friday, market cap 110 million, and it's trading at $2.23 right now, actually. Now, analysts are bearish on this one, but with this news, that could change, obviously. With this one last year, we saw it go from about $1.70 all the way up here to actually extreme highs of about, $10.94, actually, which was a huge, jump right there. 74 million shares traded that day. Volume was insane, 300 million shares that day. So volume was pretty insane there. Went from that 170 all the way to about $10 or $11. Pulled back down to about $4. So still, even if you didn't sell in time, you still made over 100, close to 200% gains, even if you sold sometime here. Then we saw a little bit of an uptrend up to about $8, and then a sell-off once again. Came back down to previous highs, so we're back to that $2 support level that we see. So volume is usually about 2 to 5 million shares, obviously, with some days being better than others, but usually it's around that area. So this one is definitely going to be interesting to see for the next few years how it's going to perform with this real estate information, investment, I guess you could say. So definitely want to add to your radar. And now the third penny stock is going to be Aerpio Pharmaceuticals Inc, ARPO. So this one is a biotech penny stock, and you guys love biotech companies. So this one develops and commercializes various compounds. This includes those that treat, ocular disease and vascular stabilization. Now, its lead product, Raspinferb, has completed phase 2B clinical trial to treat a diabetic retinopathy. Now, the company has experienced a lot of positive momentum this year, bringing investor attention from all around the market. So to understand ARPO better, let's take a look at what it has been up to in the past few weeks. On June 4th, the company provided a second update on its ADI Bioscience presentation at the ASCO 2021 virtual meeting. Apart from this, there has been no other company-specific news released from ARPO. Despite this, shares of ARPO stock shot up around 3% on July 16th at the close. At the start of 2021, this penny stock was trading around $1.05. Right now the shares are trading at around $2.06, which is quite a substantial increase, about 100% almost. So what do you guys think about this one? Let's take a look. ARPO up about 2.5% on Friday, like we said, trading at $2.06. Market cap 97 million, right under that 100 million area. Short term, mid-term, and long-term, analysts are very bullish on this one. Volume, like we see, usually trading around 500,000 to 1 million shares. Obviously here we saw huge volume, 245 million, 20 million or so, depending on which day it was. We had huge volume. So this one was trading actually right here at the $1.25 level for a while last year. Came up here towards the end of the year to about $2.20. Then it pulled back down. We saw this uptrend happen, came back down again, and then another spike on up with a downward trend. And then obviously, last week and then last month or so, we saw it go from 175 all the way to highs of 325, and then a pullback again. So it seems to be getting higher highs and lower lows, consistently, which is definitely something that we're interested in because that gives us more of an opportunity. And with analysts being, very bullish short-term, mid-term, and long-term, that gives us even a more, hope, I guess you could say, for this one to continue to go higher. With it being a biotech company, there's always a lot of potential for these ones with their different trials that come out and different news, because that can definitely affect the price and give us a little bit of a boost. So definitely want to add to your radar. And then the fourth penny stock on the list is going to be InvestView Inc., so INVU. This one is a fintech company working on a new solution for the financial industry. Specifically, it offers financial education, research, and technology. InvestView's product offerings include investment tools, advisory services, and much more to help its customers. The company also offers crypto mining and adaptive blockchain technologies. Its move into the crypto market shows just how innovative the company is, and as a result, many investors are looking at INVU as a player in what the finance industry could become in the future. Now, on July 16th, InvestView paid its preferred quarterly dividend and closed its preferred offering right there. So the company's iGenius subsidiary also recently reported a strong record growth trend in the first quarter of 2021. These are two most recent announcements for the company and could help to explain its bullish momentum in the past few trading sessions. So right here, the CEO of InvestView, Joe Camaretta, said that this was an all-around highly successful quarter for iGenius. During the quarter, our strategies led to strong global customer demand for our high-quality and financial education tools, research, and digital assets technology products. We also offered various incentives and promotions that were, very well received and contributed meaningfully to sales and customer growth for the quarter. While while trading in the past month has not been ideal, the company for educational tools remains remains quite high. So let's take a look, guys. This one was up about 3.5% on Friday, trading around 12 cents, market cap at 366 million on this one right here. So this one's a real penny stock right here. But last year, or if we take a look here, last year trading around 2 cents or so. So even if you bought last year at 2 cents and held until now, you made, about from 2 cents to 12 cents, you made 10 cents gain on each one. So you made about a 5 to 6x potential, depending on what time you bought. But obviously with the highs up here being at one point at around 79, 78 cents, from that 2 cents area, that is insane. From 2 cents to 9 cents, those are extreme gains right there. You would have made a destroyed a market pretty much with that. Obviously, we saw the sell-off continue to sell off, and it continued to go lower and lower. But now we're at the support level around this 11 cents area, and we're hoping for it to bounce off of this support level and continue on higher. Volume is usually around a million shares or so daily average. So this is definitely one that has a potential to bounce back after it hits the support. But if it breaks under that 10-cent support and continues to go downwards, that's not going to be a good good investment for us, obviously. But definitely one to keep an eye out on to see how it's going to perform for the rest of 2021 and going into 2022. It seems like here it just had a lot of hype happen in February time period, March time period, where it went from about 12 cents to about that 80 cents area almost. So that was definitely a massive gain, obviously, in the market. But these are definitely some interesting penny stocks. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about these 4 penny stocks? Obviously, these are just ones that we're going to be watching for late July to see how they're going to be performing and if we're going to be able to get some gains. Obviously, some of these are going to be day trades. Some of these could be, long-term trades, depending. Like the biotech ones are more interesting for long-term as they have a lot more potential. But you guys decide and let me know in the comments below. What do you think about these ones? Smash that like button for me, guys. As always, subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.